Okay. What I was telling you guys, I wanted you to block the refund date in the state in the comments. And somebody said they got a date of the 22nd, but they hope that it come today. And like I said, it could come today because you don't know what the banks will do. You don't know what the banks will do, okay? All right. Okay. New merch is also dropping, you guys. New merch is dropped today. For those. And I did a poll. You guys, on the community tab of my channel, and some of you put in 71% for just keep. It's supposed to be grinding a forward hoodie. So a lot of you like that hoodie. I also we got money, t-shirt, hoodie, and also the other merchandise as well. Guys, for those of you who want to check that out, I'll be giving you more information again on this channel, you guys. Refund, and then I'm gonna go over some of the questions and comments that y'all had codes as well. So let me turn the music down a little bit so y'all can hear me. Okay, and I'm gonna be looking at some of your questions and comments some of you have been asking me. Okay. Also, for those of you who missed the podcast this morning, make sure you go back. They're on your favorite podcast directory. I aired this morning live on Facebook, on YouTube, on LinkedIn. But this podcast is also on 20 podcast apps like Apple, Spotify, Amazon Music, Google, different ones. So make sure if you missed this one, you can go back and listen to it as well on your favorite podcast directory. Okay, you guys, just letting you guys know. Okay, somebody had a comment. Okay, make sure you represent your state and city, you guys. I'm happy for a lot of you getting a refund dates. If you haven't got a date yet, don't be discouraged, or it could just come in your bank account. Okay. What's with the music? I put the music on here. Is my music, and it's because I'm celebrating the refunds. Okay, that's what's the music. Okay. You're celebrating those who got their refund. That's what the music is for, Joe. Okay. I got the worst news ever. I got a code 203 on WMR and 846 on my transcript. Just a minute. Let me turn this off so I can hear y'all. And 846, I called the BFS. They said my offset amount was $5,293. So am I not receiving my refund this year? If you have an offset, I don't know how much the amount of your refund was, but if they're offsetting that much, which you owe, then you have to subtract that. And whatever they taken from offset, that's what's gonna remain. Okay. I'm so sorry, Derek, about that. But yeah, if it has an offset, if you call that number and you call the BFS, then definitely, yeah, they're gonna subtract that from your refund amount. Whatever, I don't know what your refund amount is, so subtract whatever they told you, Derek, and that'll give you how much you have left. For those of you who are in hardship, I had to tell people last year, if you in hardship this year, make sure you contact a taxpayer advocate. Okay, contact a taxpayer advocate that can help you, but you got to prove your hardship. Okay. I filed January 9th with one 2-year-old child through Jackson Hewitt. Not applicable on transcript, just says revived on WMR. Okay, continue to check back on the WMR, but it could get in your account. A lot of people last week said money came in their bank accounts and they didn't receive no due date. So It happened last year. The same thing that happened last year is happening this year, you guys. Some people this morning, I have messages on my phone, comments. Some people, let me see. I'll go back to my phone. You can still be dropping comments, your state, and your due dates. Somebody said this is Amani Grace. She said people are saying that Chime is rejecting tax due dates if you have TPG. I did see that on the Facebook post. I did see that on some Facebook posts in the groups on Facebook. There's some people saying that Chime is rejecting some of them. I'm not partnered with Santa Barbara Tax Products Group, so I don't know, but I see people are posting it, so I can only go by what people are saying. But I know last year in 2023, some tax refunds were delayed because the banks said it was suspicious activity, so people had to wait on checks in the mail, okay? And I know it's crazy and a lot of you get discouraged. Also, some people said they were sent saying that they would receive a letter from the IRS. So you have to wait on the letters. If you get that, some people are saying that they have a hold. That they have a hold code and they have to wait. Someone said it's the offset amount they take or what I receive. An offset is when the federal income tax refund you should have received is used to pay all a portion of a debt you owe. You can go to irs.gov for that, okay? Somebody said, tell me what is 3-4 mean. As of. So the reason that you see the as of dates, they're calculating and sprayed on your tax transcript is to determine if you have a tax balance. So if you see that on your transcripts, noted that what it is, that is due to be paid, or you will be eligible for a tax refund at the time of filing your tax return. So you have to wait for the system to update. Some of you may have, I went over this on the last video, some of you may have a reduced refund. I went over that on the last video, 203. Okay, so if you have a reduced, if you may feel like you're in a hardship and you need your money, if they take all of a part of it, make sure you contact a taxpayer advocate. But please be aware that you have to prove it. You have to prove it. You have to send in documentation. Good morning. I filed February 6th and I checked where's my refund. It's saying still processing. It's on the first bar still. Okay, Miss Candy Red. Okay. Hopefully we'll update for you soon. Somebody said waiting on mine, dated for the 22nd, H&R block. All right, it could drop if you have a due date of the 22nd. If they drop early, it can drop all the way through the day into the night. I seen it last tax season and another tax season. I seen that as well. So if you didn't get it this morning, right now your account, it could be throughout the day and then throughout the next day. So don't be discouraged. Anybody else have questions and comments? Okay. Yeah, I get it. I know it's through Emerald Prepaid, a career and age, H&R Block. I know it's supposed to be Emerald. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for posting and let us know, okay? Somebody said I filed January the 31st and still in process and went through H&R Block. No date, no transcript, just process. And again, it could update. And I'm looking at my phone, you guys, people who are posting comments. Some people are saying they still getting the dates of the 22nd. I was surprised this morning. It's been a lot of people contacting me, and somebody said they were from Alaska. And they thanked me for doing the videos, to keeping them informed. This morning, I finally got my PATH refund date, February 22nd. No state check yet. California, thank you all for your videos. Okay. Somebody said that they had a hold on their account. Okay. Anybody else online. Any questions? Okay. I'm looking in the comments. Hey, Star. Okay, I got a date of February the 22nd. Good for you and congratulations to you. You're welcome, Aquarian. Looking at some more. Somebody said they filed with an old address but had to move to their friend's house. It's 45 minutes away. I did go to the post office to update my mailing address. Would I get my IRS verification letter in my old address or new? It could go to that old address. Sometimes stuff go to your old address when you move. So you have to check back at the old address, you guys, to make sure. Okay? Any more questions? Sometimes it has the tax offset. Go to see if you have a tax offset. Okay? Let me put that number. I always put that number on the screen to let you guys know. Contact that, and it should tell you, start putting all the information that it's asking for. That's the IRS number. Any more questions? Well, I'm looking at my phone. If they deduct. All right. A lot of people I'm still seeing again, you guys. I'm still seeing the 22nd. I'm still seeing the 22nd. With most people, that doesn't mean that everybody's gonna have the 22nd. It could be all through the week. When IRS start dropping them, it'll be all through the week, you guys. Okay? For those of you who may be watching, haven't filed your taxes, because people been contacting me, you go to my link that I'm putting on the screen, you guys. Put it at the bottom of the screen for those who have not filed already. Okay, because I know a lot of you have filed and y'all have questions, but for those of you who are watching and you haven't filed, you can go to my live portal. Nothing is open available for today and nothing available for tomorrow, but Thursday and Friday I have bookings open for those of you who are interested. I see another comment on the screen. Give me a minute to check. Okay, this Keisha. Hey, Keisha. I was listening to the people and they said they have it today. Mine is on this Thursday on the 22nd. Correct. It can follow your bank account at any time, okay? The WMR sometimes doesn't update and some people don't receive dates, but that doesn't mean you ain't gonna get no money. Sometimes you in for a surprise. And somebody else, you guys, I had a comment as well that she said that she was shocked because she was going to the WMR and then it popped up in her bank account and she said she couldn't believe it. She was so happy. So check your bank accounts, you guys. You don't always have to be on the WMR or your transcript. Sometimes it just fall in your account. I keep saying it. It happened last year. It happens every year with it. Has anybody received a letter or had information on that that Chime is rejecting? Some people said that Chime rejecting TPG Bank. So has anybody else had a problem with that or seen any comments regarding that, you guys? Anybody? If you're on and you're watching, make sure you put your state and your due date. Okay, I'm gonna be celebrating with you guys all week. I'm gonna be back on here on the 22nd as well. Holding for those of you who don't receive your refund, you could receive it now before the 22nd. But if you don't receive it today or you don't see it tomorrow, I'm gonna be back on here because I try to watch and see what's happening in the different groups, seeing what happened and what people have to say. Okay. No, I just got mine from Chime 10 minutes ago. Georgia 20. Okay, that's good. That is so good. Congratulations to you for getting your money in your Chime account. So check those bank accounts. I know some of you are in the where's my refund groups. Some of you in the where's my refund groups, and some of the people are letting you know that they're getting the money in their accounts. Okay, so check your bank accounts. No, I haven't heard anything about Chime doing that. Yeah, I had somebody that comment. That's why I brought it up in the video. I'm using my phone for those who posted me and asked me comments, and I try to answer them. Um, so I have seen it in the group, but I didn't understand it either. Again, I'm not partnered with Santa Barbara Tax Product Group, and I don't know, but I do know it is on IRS.gov that last year that people refunds were delayed due to banks actually doing that because it was suspicious activity. So it happens. Yay! I'm so happy it came early for you today. Okay. Let's see. I checked my bank and they said they do not see it yet. Hopefully soon, Rakisha, okay? I got my state from Chime, the 8, waiting on federal. Mine's pop up ASAP. Okay, hopefully it will. Hopefully you get all your money. Definitely check y'all accounts. It came 12:30 on the dot. I keep telling them, check your account. Some people don't even believe you. I'm glad that you commented and I'm putting it up here for folks to see. But it's in the groups. People are telling people in the Facebook group and the different groups that it's showing up in their bank accounts and they don't even have, some of them don't even have the due date. They didn't even update on Saturday. So check your bank accounts, okay? And sometimes you be notified, you have notifications. Anybody else with questions and comments? If you have a hold on your account, because I've been getting a lot of questions and comments regarding that, if you have a hold or in review, you just have to wait until the IRS sends you a letter or until the system updates, because sometimes the system will update and things change, okay? And I'm sorry about that for those who experience the hold and are in review. But it does happen. It happens every year. And refunds are reduced. Some people refunds are reduced every year, and people do have the tax offset. That's why I said go to irs.gov. It tells you everything about those offsets. I provide the number for y'all to contact and make sure, because a lot of people think that tax preparers and different people take their refund, and it's because they have a past due debt that they owe. So make sure you call that number to make sure you put in the right account and round numbers when you file your taxes. Because if you did it, you're going to have to contact the IRS and then they have to mail you a check. And for those talking about the bank rejecting the if that happens, then you're supposed to get a check. You got to contact the IRS. Okay, you guys, if you haven't already signed up for my newsletter, make sure you do so, you guys. I keep you updated with the latest tech news, business, and wealth and finances as well. These people get different news than what's on my channel, and yes, it is free. Okay, let's see. Give me a minute, you guys. Sometimes it be slow with your comments, putting it up here. Somebody said they still waiting. Womp womp. I'm sorry. It's coming. You never know, though. You never know. My due date said the 22nd, and it came 2 days early at 12:30. Keep checking them accounts. I got a good feeling a lot of people going to receive them today. Yes, all throughout the day. Don't get maybe you need to take a break, because some people keep doing it, and they keep checking the WMR. And like last time on last video, somebody said the WMR was down, but keep checking back, you guys. You never know, okay? You never know, so it can drop all through the day. Anybody else with any more comments? Any more codes? because people been saying they had them codes on there. So let me go back and check. I'm checking my phone as well because people be commenting on the videos that are already on my channel. You guys, so I had to go back and make sure I'm answering them. I try to get to everybody's. Okay, let me see. Anybody else with any questions and comments, drop them. Or drop your state, let people know, or drop. Okay, hello, I'm in California and I have no update yet, but I was accepted on February 7th. Check this morning, but no update yet. Am I too early? She filed on February 7th. It takes up to 21 days. It can take up to 21 days, but that doesn't mean it's going to take the full 21 days. So I want to be clear with that. It could come early. It could come later. It all depends on the IRS and your tax return, okay? Thanks for all your information. I meant fingers crossed. I see mine pop up in my account ASAP. Okay. You are so welcome. Any more questions? And for those of you, some people, they get the old videos of mine and they don't know I have new updated videos, and they be saying that's not true. It's in my account. And I told them I do videos every week, sometimes 2 or 3 times a week. So make sure y'all get the latest updated videos and keep your notifications on so you know when I go live. And if you haven't already subscribed, you guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Why? Because I give you new tax refund updates every week. Okay. And also about business and finances and building wealth and all that information. Okay. Check out some of the videos, you'll see. All right. Don't forget to check out some of the new merch, you guys, for to contact me. I always put my number up here. That's my email. If you need to contact me regarding my business, by Grace Tax Service LLC, I am authorized by the IRS to e-file. You can fax in documents because some people don't like using live portals, but it's strictly live. So when you upload it, I get it. And when you go attend the Zoom meetings, I have to see that you are who you say you are and verify your identity as well, because it's so much scams and fraud. A lot of people think that I'm just going to do it over the phone. No, I have to verify it's you. I had to verify it's you. I'm doing it in 50 states, and I don't know everybody, okay? So let's be clear on that. This is what the live portal look like when you get there, you guys. All you do is got to schedule an appointment. If you have any more questions or comments, make sure you drop them down in the video. If you haven't already joined the groups, make sure you join the group on Facebook, you guys, too. Make sure I put that up there. Join the group. And also go live in the group as well. Also stream on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, different social media sites, because I'm streaming live right now on different ones. You have any questions and comments, drop them down. Okay, I see a new comment. Give me a minute. Okay. Danny, hi Danny. Mine got accepted on February the 1st, still processing. Okay. Hopefully it will update for you soon, or you may receive your money. Tell people. Check the bank accounts. Okay, accepted February 3rd, still processing. Okay, y'all still at the beginning of February. So if you don't update or don't get your money, check the WMR this Saturday. Okay? Or check your transcripts. Make sure you check your transcripts and check the WMR. But that doesn't mean it. You can still get your money without any of them updating. It happens. Okay? If you coming in, put your state, your due date, you're still in processing, or you have received your refund. Most people are partying. They're out because they have their refund already. Any more questions? Staying on here for you guys to answer some of you questions if you have any codes. Somebody said that they had an 810 code, different ones. So I'm going to be checking. You guys always keep updated. I do thank you guys for the likes. Share out this video for other people as well to watch it. And I have had 125,000 views on my channel. I am thankful for that. Last year I reached YouTube partnership, you guys. So I'm very grateful for all my subscribers. And I try to help you guys as much as I can, especially during tax season, because I have experience with it. I also have an MBA, guys, for those of you who don't know me. To learn more about me, don't forget, or my business, you can click the link in the description of this video, and you can also follow me on other social media sites, okay? Also, the link to my store and my website, I'll put it on there. I try to put everything down. Any more questions and comments? Okay, new comment. Give me a minute. Okay, somebody got that also with still processing. Okay. Hopefully the system will update for you soon, okay? Keep me informed. Anybody else that new that may be watching, any questions, comments, anything, okay? If you haven't already, you guys, also don't forget that I have the planner for the tax pros as well. I'm big on planning during this tax season. Make sure you're planning ahead. You guys, make sure that you also managing your money. I can't tell you what to do with your money because I know it's your money. I can only just give you advice that we've been through a lot as Americans. We've been through COVID. We've seen a lot of things go on. We've seen inflation, high gas prices, food prices, interest rates on credit cards. So make sure everything that you do, you have a plan, and you focus on your needs more than just wanting it. Okay, you guys? So I try to be big on the tax planning. The green one is for the taxpayers as well, or the planner. That Tax Pro Boss Planner is on Amazon. I have books on Amazon as well, you guys. All you got to do is look up my name, none of likely. Somebody said, can you answer my question? I'm answering everybody's questions that are there in the chat, okay? Mostly everybody on my channel knows that unless you're being rude, I answer everybody's question, okay? I'm going down and I always get a new comment to answer people's question. Now, if you're rude or you're saying the wrong thing, I don't answer your question. But pretty much YouTube let me know the comments that I don't answer, I haven't responded to, and pretty much I get to anybody's question, okay? February the 29th. Vernest, I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Filed on the 9th of February. When can I expect my return? 21 days from when you file. That's the only information I can give you. 21 days. It could be earlier than that, and it could be later than that. Every year is 21 days. They give up to 21 days. Dallas. Why is my tax transcript still showing 0 and no updates? I got accepted by the IRS on February the 1st and still say still processing as of today, because the IRS has a lot of tax returns and it takes up to 21 days, okay? Up to 21 days. It could be before then, it could be after, and it depends on your tax return. And sometimes you have to verify identity, and sometimes you may be in review and they need more information from you. So everything is based on the IRS, and hopefully that you will get your refund soon. And don't forget, some of you look at the transcripts and the WMR, they can update. They can put it in your account before for any update. Based on your bank. Based on your bank, Joe. They send all the IRS send all your information to the banks, and it's based on your bank. Sometimes some of y'all be waiting on your money and you wondering why, and you get mad and upset. Sometimes depending on where you have a prepaid or you just have a regular bank like Regions, Wells Fargo, sometimes them banks hold them for 2 days. It could be right at your account, but they hold them. Don't ask me why, but some people who get the prepaid cards, they get theirs early. They have up to 2 days early and 4 days fast and all that. So it depends on your bank, whoever you're banking with. Not clear on what you're saying, Star. Okay, any more questions? If you're new here and you just logging on, just coming in, drop your comments or drop your state and your due date if you have one. If you're still in processing, let me know, okay? I'm going to be live on the 22nd again for those of you who haven't got your money and don't get it. So we're going to be on there because I'm going to see exactly what be going on in the different groups and also with my tax clients so I can give you more information, okay? Because it be changes every day. People be sharing different things. Star, could you give me another detail in your question and I'm going to answer? Make sure if you have any more questions or concerns that you contact the IRS, okay? Contact the IRS. And if you get a letter in the mail, if you disagree with that letter, I told people last year, all through tax season, if you disagree and they tell you to send more information, make sure that you send information, you guys, because if you don't and you don't respond, the IRS is not going to respond, okay? I have a review letter on my channel. You can go to my playlist. For those of you who get the review letters, I have the review letters from last year that I discussed on videos that you can go back to, a playlist. Hi, Martin. February the 22nd. Still waiting to see hit account if it comes early. I'm hoping that everybody who has that 22nd comes early, but you know it's based on your bank. And if you have prepaid cards, wait Chime. If you have Chime, Varo, Emerald, all the different ones. PayPal prepaid. I'm just naming some. NetSpend, Discover prepaid. Just look throughout the day, you guys. Throughout the day. Any more questions? I'm hoping you guys that y'all update soon, each one of you, because I know you need your money and you want your money. Okay, I'm gonna look again on here to see if anybody have any more, because I'm streaming live on different social media sites, and people actually they post comments under the older videos that I already done did. So I have to check several videos in the social media sites, you guys. So if you coming in right now, drop your questions and comments down and I'll gladly answer them. Or you can just tell me your state and your due date, or if you're still in processing, or if you have any questions, just let me know. Somebody said no check. Hopefully soon. Somebody said no money, okay? Okay, somebody said I didn't get a due date. I got some kind of message that say I gotta wait for a letter, then follow the steps on the letter. Could take up to 6 weeks. Yeah. Yeah, review letters. For those of you who may get the review letters, you have to wait on them. Make sure you check that video on my playlist. Review letters is on my channel. And again, you have to respond to it. If they ask you to send more information, make sure you send it and you provide copies. You get copies for yourself as well that you send them proof. If you fax them, if you mail them, make sure you keep copies for yourself and have your own folder. Be organized so you have proof. And I will go certified. Make sure you mail them certified, you guys, so you can have a tracking number on it, okay? And then proof that they received it if you get the review letters. All right, you guys. If not, no more questions, then what I'm gonna do is we're gonna see you again on the 22nd, okay? If you don't ask if you didn't ask any questions on this video and you want to wait till after, feel free to put them in the comment section under this video and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? See you again on the 22nd, you guys, okay? It's probably gonna be at 11 a.m. that morning that I'll go live with you guys, okay? All right, y'all have a great day.